Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. I'll be posting new videos every week. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any. Today I just wanted to do another really easy do-it-yourself. This is something that I've been trying for months now, so I can know for sure that I can recommend it. So what it's for is it's actually a do-it-yourself hair mask with only 2 ingredients. And I've been using this for months. I've seen really good results in my hair. Like, it's growing really fast. If you can see, the brown's kind of grown out, almost the blonde. Like, I want all the blonde grown out because it's just been so damaged. So that's my goal. So I've been kind of looking around and trying to find masks that help with hair growth. And I've tried coconut oil, I've tried making other masks, but when I started doing this one, I've noticed the most results with this one. So I'm just bringing my hair down. Just ignore it. It's really messy and frizzy, but I just want to bring it down for this tutorial just to show you. And I'll show you the 2 ingredients that I use. I'll also link them down below if you're interested. So you want to do this on hair that you're going to wash anyways. And the 2 ingredients that you use are peppermint oil and castor oil. So peppermint oil is good because it is minty and tingly, and it helps bring blood flow to your scalp, which makes your hair want to grow faster. Also, it's antiseptic, so any kind of debris or bacteria or anything on your scalp that would make your scalp not healthy, it'll kind of sterilize that so your scalp's clean and healthy. And I find it helps with debris too. Like, you know, if you have buildup from dry shampoo or something, when I put this on and after I shower, I notice my scalp feels cleaner. So I think it helps with that. So we'll start with the peppermint oil first. And you can do this in a bowl or a dish, but I'm just gonna show you how I do it. So I literally just put probably like 5 to 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, and you wanna make sure that you're using a good quality one. I'll link some below that I've tried and that work, because you don't want to be using any that don't have a lot of peppermint oil in it, like are really watered down or anything, because it just won't work. And then I just take it, rub it in my hands like this, and then I go all over my scalp, rubbing it on my scalp in circular motions, just like this. So that, sorry, it looks a little like a lion's mane. Just do that all over your scalp. And then again, you do it on dirty hair, and you're gonna wanna leave it on as long as possible. You could leave it on for an hour, you could leave it on for 8 hours. The longer you leave it on, the better. So I'll probably leave it on till night and then just shower then. So that's the peppermint oil part. So it's just all on my scalp, and I can feel like kind of a tingling with it. So it's kind of stimulating my hair, I guess. And then next is the castor oil. So castor oil is good for your hair because it's full of vitamin E. Also, I've been trying a lot of different stuff for my hair, and the texture of it is nice and curly and voluminous normally, but since bleaching it so much, it was kind of like ratty and fried. But since using this, I've kind of gotten my natural texture back, like the waviness and the volume, and I actually feel like the hair strands feel thicker, like the follicle of the hair, if that's even possible. I'm not sure if I'm just imagining it, but that's actually how it feels. So it's super thick, you'll see it, and this is just cold castor oil, cold pressed, and 100% solvent free. So again, you want to use good ingredients that are actually 100% what you're looking for this mask. And you're gonna pour it into your hands just a little bit like this to start, and then I kind of move it around my hands too. And then I start at the root, same thing as the peppermint oil. I'm going in circular motions, and you'll see when you feel it, you think, oh geez, it's really thick. Like, it's almost like, feels like you're putting like petroleum jelly or something on your head, and you're like thinking how you're gonna get it off. So you'll have to shampoo it once or twice to get everything off, but I still think it's really worth it because the results I've seen, like I find my hair is growing faster, it seems less damaged, the follicle feels thicker, my natural volume and style of my hair is coming back, and also it's shinier and just less fried, less breakage and less split ends. So I'm just doing the same thing again, so just in my hands from side to side, and I just started at the root, but now I'm kind of going all the way down, and then I just go down the shaft of the hair all the way to the end. And like I said, it feels super greasy, super thick, so you want to do this on a day that you're not, like you're gonna wash your hair anyways. Double shampoo it out and you'll notice a big difference. And then I just kind of, because my hands still kind of have some, go to the very tips with that. And I just tie it up, and like I said, I'll leave it on as long as I can. So if I can leave it on for like 8 hours, I will. I don't leave it on overnight or anything because it probably would get greasy on your pillow. But as long as I can till the evening, I'll do that. And then you just wash it out. Make sure you're really foaming well at the root with your shampoo, and shampoo at least twice. And then I use a conditioner and everything too. But I've really noticed a big difference with this. So I hope that you guys try it, and I hope you like it. And I hope that it helps you grow your hair too. Comment below if you tried it, if you liked it, and just any kind of do-it-yourself tips, or what are your tips and tricks just to get your hair to grow out as fast as possible. Just comment below. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your kind comments and likes and watches on my previous videos. And I hope to see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.